So we're gonna go in here and work on this valve and use the Jet Swet because he has never seen the Jet Swet being used. And then we got this piece of solder right here. I like to use the file because when you use the fucking file, it just comes right fucking off. Look at that. So if you ever have a piece of solder you're dealing with, best way, my favorite way, is with the file. Just get it, and then see that constant water, how it keeps coming out. Yeah. It doesn't let you solder, and I don't want to pro press anymore to fucking old fittings because I've been having problems where it leaks. It fails, not right now, but later. So we only pro press to new from now on. We're not taking the chance of it failing. So that's why we got this Jet Swet. I can't even talk. Jet Swet kit that goes from 1/2 inch all the way to 2 inch. So you're gonna obviously get which one? Well, yeah, you're gonna get the 1/2 inch. That's it. Also, let's get a solder valve. Well, not a threaded one. Yeah, take it back. And then one slip coupling. So this water is annoying. You could either go with the vacuum and suck it out, and it might work, might not work, but this is a commercial building, so good luck trying to get every single drop of water out of this. So it's gonna take forever. Or you could spend $200-300 on a Jet Swet kit and then be prepared for any size of pipe. And like I said before, I would pro press to this, but we've been having a little bit of failures and it's not worth people calling. So I'll pro press to new L copper, but I'm not gonna pro press to new M or old pipe at all. So this is just me, and I want to build a product that's not gonna fucking fail. Never had problems with pro press when it's new, but I have had a problem when it's old. So I'm not taking that fucking risk. You guys could, I'm not. This is the most annoying. The solder pieces that stick on. Like you guys see, that constant water drip won't let you solder. I mean, some of you guys could try or fuck with it, but we have this little tool. You just go and push it in there and just spin it and you're good. So I'm gonna let Eric fuck with it, read the directions, because you're gonna do that. So what happened, if you guys could see, the ball valve broke, and it broke just enough where it's open barely but closed. So we're replacing this fucking ball valve that broke. You guys can see with the fucking reflection. So you see how it broke? It's closed, and they lost water. I think I got it. So sometimes when it's new, this thing gets stuck on you, so you just gotta break it loose real quick. Like you see, it's been like 20-30 minutes and that shit's still fucking leaking. So this is why you want to have these little tools. They just make your life easier. Don't tighten it. There you go. There she is. So now it's loose. Look how it tightens.
Oh, it pushes this shit up.
Yeah. You see it? Now you get it? Now you can read the direction. Yeah. Let's see how it works. Like I said, I could do it and get it done faster, but honestly, the only way you fucking learn is by fucking doing yourself. So I know it sucks when you barely see. Look, oh my goodness, look, it's just stopped the water. Come on, Eric, plug it up. Oh dude, that's when fucking Charlie's little baby one that we just bought comes in clutch.
Which one?
That one little. We should have used it. What they're in, I mean. Just bought a bunch of tools from Zenton, and You see how it's stopping the water? Look at that. Boom, clogged. No more water. So right there, we're nice and tight. You could try to solder or keep tightening it. It's up to you. You get me? Because look, you see?
That's good.
Alright, hurry up and solder that. Make sure, always before you solder, make sure the fucking valve is gonna operate. That's like the number one thing to close it. Oh, it's not, it doesn't let you because the jet sweat's in there. Well, you get me? It's gonna operate. I checked. Solder. You got it, or want me to do it?
I'll try. So I'll go this way, no?
Yeah, you don't want to melt the, and then you don't want to melt, catch a fire either. You could use gloves, fucking eye protection, but
I know where it is.
whatever.
Yeah, let me go get that shit. At least fucking.
You see how the water is just going through the top, so it's way better now. Yep. Yeah, there you go. Ah. God damn, she's on.
I should not have it.
Nah, the water cools it down fast. That's why when you try to solder, it's almost impossible. This might get hot, but you want to go turn on the water. So we turn on the water. Looks pretty good. Holding pretty good. So we're at full pressure, and this is how handy that is. Now we could leave the water on. The tenants are not gonna be mad. So we're at full pressure. So that's the benefit of having this little kit. You don't have to deal with it if you don't want to solder on it. Honestly, if you don't have that, it's annoying because you're dealing with soldering. Like I said, we had to come and replace this valve because someone touched it and it broke, and we literally can't do anything about it, and they lost water. So this is why we're here. But that was pretty much that tool review. So easy. Eric could do it, right, Eric? All right, let's finish this up and solder this and get the fuck out of here.